Hi guys! In this quick video, we'll show you how to add an Elfsight widget to your Webflow site. Keep in mind, these methods work only with a paid Webflow site or workspace plan. The free starter plan doesn't allow custom JavaScript. Let's dive in. First, open your Elfsight dashboard to copy the installation code of your widget. Click the Install button under the widget you want to add and copy the code. Let's start with adding your Elfsight widget to a specific page. Log into your Webflow account and choose the website you'd like to edit. Click Open Site in Webflow. First, choose the page where you want to add the widget. In our example, we will install the widget on the home page. Hit the plus icon and find the code embed element under the Advanced section. Drag and drop it to the place where you'd like the widget to appear. Paste your widget installation code into the opened code editor window and click Save and Close. Don't worry if the widget is not visible in the Webflow editor. It's expected behavior. The widget will only appear in preview mode with custom code enabled or on the published site. Let's check how it looks on the live page. To do this, click Publish and select Publish to selected domains. Viola, here it is. Now let's add your Elfsight widget to all pages. This method works best for floating widgets. Floating widgets are not fixed in a layout and can move over the main content, often staying visible while scrolling. Choose the website where you want to add the widget, click the three dots, and hit Settings. Find custom code in the left sidebar, go to the head code section, and paste the installation code of your widget. Click Save. After this, publish your changes and press Publish to selected domains. Great! Let's check the widget on the live page. As you see, the widget is displayed on all pages. If you still have any difficulties, check our Help Center article, link in the description, and feel free to reach us at support@elfsight.com. We're always there to help. Thanks for watching and being with us.